guys, so today I'm with
Sua.
Today we're going to this artist's house.
Yes, and it's a art workshop cafe.
And we were thinking about making like matching bracelets.
But we're indecisive, so
Yeah.
we'll see.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Where are we? Okay, I'm here. We have to walk here. And I think this is the artist's house, right?
Okay.
Yeah, this
Yeah,
is
I
it.
think that is.
Okay. I think we're here. So we just go in. Wait, there's a lot of stuff there too.
Want to look at it first?
Maybe, yeah. There's clips and everything. This looks so good.
These are pretty.
Oh my god. I've never seen like a lot of colors. Only pink and blue, something like that.
I think it's so shiny.
Oh, there's a lot of bracelets. We can take ideas from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so we're supposed to walk straight. Okay. Alright. Hopefully it's not too crowded. Oh, it's here! Oh my god! Oh, wow. Artist's house. We're here, guys. So we have to take off our shoe and then go in there. Going in. So we have decided we're gonna do bracelets first, and then if we want to do anything else, we can do it after making a bracelet. So here's we can get some drinks and everything. Then
Bracelet is 180.
Yeah, so we're going for bracelets. So we got the coupons and what about yours? Did you give it?
I gave it.
ใช้ตัวนี้นะคะแล้วก็ร้อยลูกปัดลงไปแค่นี้เองออกแบบบนถาดอันนี้ก่อนก็ได้นะคะจะได้ดูดีไซน์ก่อนตรงนี้เดี๋ยวทำเสร็จแล้วก็กลับมาตรงนี้นะคะเดี๋ยวผูกให้
ขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ My favorite color is red and her favorite color is purple. So I cannot find any red beads that looks good, so I'm going for blue instead. And we're gonna mix it up. Yeah. Only this?
Yeah.
Just nuts? Okay.
Gracefully.
Okay.
Sorry, gracefully.
I'm so sorry. Did I mix it up?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay, and then
Then where's the small purpose? Okay. So wow.
that I feel like this would look good.
But we need a contrast to be honest.
So what could our contrast?
So organized. Look at mine. Before we start making it, we wanna get a drink first. Yeah. So these are the menu. A lot of options. Very creative. I like the menu.
It's like one of a kind.
I know, right?
Okay.
Mine's okay. Mine's just like lime. It's not sweet at all. Really? Do you want to try this? It's sugarcane lime. Is that better? Which one do you like better? Which one? They're both bad? No. Let me try this. Let me try this. I'll take this. No, yours. It's yours. I found my boyfriend. But no, like, if you don't like this, I'll take this. It's drinkable for me, yeah. So I don't like sweet stuff. No, but I also like this. I promise I'm fine with it. I promise. Don't be sorry. Why are you sorry? I don't know, because I ordered that. Don't worry about it. I've got you. I've got a big sister and a boyfriend here. Everything. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay guys, so after 2 hours, more than 2 hours,
That's embarrassing.
we finally decided what color to do and then we're done. Oh. It's going down because it's heavy, I guess. We're done. I know I don't like pink. I mean, I don't hate it, but only the blue and the purple doesn't look good. So we decided to put pink in the middle.
Sacrifices.
Yeah, that's it.
인어가 될까요?
Guys, we're done making the bracelets and now we are planning to go upstairs. Yes, go. Hopefully I don't fall. Well, this is a nice place to make the bracelets.
But then if you have to go up and down the stairs.
True, yeah. Oh, this is just for painting then. A little gallery here. Look at that. I know. Wow. Here. Wow. So we just found a new place. They also have a bracelet for 80 baht, which is not like this, which is 180. And it's elastic. And this is thread. Oh my god. I would love to make this one.
There's always a next. We always come back.
Looks so cute inside too.
There's probably air conditioning.
So when you go back, you can see some few souvenirs and everything. Don't forget to check this out if you want to buy any souvenirs.
Oh my god, slay. I fall down.
If you fall down, I'm falling down too.
Down, don't worry.
Yes, Happy New Year! Okay guys, so we have done making our bracelets and now we're waiting for the boat to come, the car, yeah. And for the other stuff like painting and everything, we can do that, but we're not in the mood, I guess. Yeah. So here is our bracelet. The car is here. Princess treatment.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
Oh, wait, that's so pretty.
That is sick.